Whenever you are on the hunt for a home for self-use or for investment purposes, there are only two things which are most important. First is the name of the developer, the legacy they have created for themselves, and the second is the location. Location decides the kind of appreciation, rental returns you will be getting, and the kind of community you will have around the place where you live. This video, that is why, is perfect for you because you get the communion of both. Welcome to Raheja Jade City by K. Raheja Kaur. This is a mixed development spread across 55 acres in which 40 to 42 acres is dedicated for your mind space. The rest 13 acres will be your residential, which is your Raheja Jade City. In 13 acres, you'll be getting 11 towers. The location is very nice from here. Juinagar station is hardly 4 to 5 minutes, and also the project is bang on the Thane Belapur road, or what you call it as Sion Panvel highway. Since the location is Juinagar, anybody who is keenly interested in the things, lifestyle amenities which are provided nearby, they know that everything, school, college, hospitals, shopping malls, is quickly accessible within 10 to 15 minutes. D.Y. Patil Stadium, University, Ryan International School, MGM Hospital, and for shopping purposes you have IKEA, Seawoods Grand Central Mall, In-Orbit Mall, everything in just 15 to 20 minutes traffic. Then also you can connect in 20 minutes. See, in 11 towers, the configurations are going to be something like 1, 2 and 3 bed apartments. The one they will be launching in the upcoming months, which is Tower 2 and Tower 10, you will be having options of also Jodi flats. 1+1 and 2+2 options are there. The bifurcation of the towers be something like 4 levels of parking are going to be there. Podium parking will be there. Also on the 5th floor you have amenities, so it is pretty much high in the air so that the ventilation is going to be good while children are playing. Also the list of amenity is very long. You have swimming pool, multi-purpose lawn, you have your sports areas, also you have senior citizen area, you have also your barbecue zone. So the kind of amenities which they are providing is pretty much new, a little bit different, not just named different, which a lot of developers do. And also your first habitable floor is going to be the 6th floor, so the ventilation and the sunlight is going to be very much amazing, and also you'll be up and high, very far away from all the noise and hustle which is actually going to be there, since the main road is close by from here, but the land parcel is pretty much inside. Also the entire land parcel is surrounded by parsec hills. A lot of greenery is going to be there. If you are someone who is interested into having an apartment with your amenity view, you can get that. If you want the city view, you also have that option, or you want the mountain view, you can get that also. Now we also have sample apartments to show you. I have talked about the location, given you all the details of the project. I do want to give you an insight of what kind of home you will be getting if you buy a home for yourself right here. So without further ado, let's get into that. Come, let me show you the sample apartment of 2 BHK, around 700 square feet. First of all, this is your private foyer area. Why private? Because in the camera you can see that you do not have the entire view of the living and the dining place. First of all, there is kitchen, but we will have a look at the living and the dining area first. The best part about all the apartments here will be that you will be getting video, door, phone. Also you will be getting large sized windows here. And plus, the best part about the living and the dining area is that you get a very good size, around 4 feet wide sun deck. You can see for yourself already everything is placed here for an understanding purpose how big it is. The facade is also going to be exactly like this. You will be getting wooden flooring also. The tiling work is going to be vitrified all over the house. This wall is where you can place your television just like they have done. And just beside this is your 4-seater dining place. But if you are a person who understands interior, then I know you know that you can fit a 6-seater also. You'll just have to remove the chairs and put a bench on one side. Now, when we entered, I told you that at the very entrance of your house, you have your kitchen. So, sabse pehle aapka kitchen hai. Come, let's explore that. It's a very long layout. On both the sides, you have your platforms. You will be having your wash basin space here. Just parallel to that is your washing area. You also have a window for ventilation. The utility area is not there. You can say that this entire tile is actually included in your kitchen, which is pretty much your utility area. This is the space for your refrigerator. Very good space, and all the wardrobes you are seeing above is the space you will be getting, so you can pretty much store everything. You can make this your pantry also. The space is very good to store everything. Now We will cross the living and the dining area and move towards the bedrooms, but first I want you to have a look at the common washroom, which is on the left hand side. The space is very good of the common washroom. Like, this is a proper washroom. You also have your shower area here. You can separate the wet and dry area, the fittings and everything. Your basin, your Jaguar fittings are going to be there. The mirror is very big. So the space of the mirror is big. That means you can also fit a lighting mirror for that matter. Now, just beside this is your first bedroom. The space of this bedroom is very nice because master bedroom is very spacious, we all know, but the common bedroom is also spacious. That means your children, your parents, your guests, all three of them are going to have ample amount of space to chill and unwind in this room. The wardrobes are on this side, and you also have L-shaped windows here. If you can see for yourself, you have this grill here and window for ventilation. L-shaped, which means cross ventilation is going to be very nice in your apartment. Also, whether you take a 2 BHK or 3 BHK, the floor to ceiling height, floor to floor, is going to be 10 feet, which means it is not going to feel a small apartment. It's going to give you a very expansive feel. Now, your master bedroom starts from right here. You can put a door and separate, as I tell you in every video. This is your master bedroom. The space, have a look at it. Very spacious, a king size bed fitting very perfectly. You can make your vanity on this wall. This is the window you will be getting for ventilation. The space is pretty much amazing. If you're a person who is, working from home, then you can utilize this entire area. You can use this wall to make your bookshelf. And come, have a look at the attached washroom. This is again very spacious. You have this window for ventilation. The cross ventilation in the entire apartment is going to be very nice. The fittings and everything is going to be of top-notch quality. I do not need to speak about that because it is K Raheja Corp. Also, if you move a little back, you see that you have hidden storage. Hidden, I can call it. And the space is very good. The width of the entire wardrobe is around 2.5 feet. The floor to ceiling, actually this is around 9 feet of storage space you will be getting. This was your 2 BHK sample apartment, around 700 square feet. Starting price is 1 crore 85 lakhs and 1 BHK here is starting from 1 crore 28 lakhs. So for booking purposes, you know what to do. Contact us on the number given below.